Good morning, class. Sorry, because today I have some problems with my internet, and so that's why I am saving this presentation for you. Okay. Thanks again. Today is Wednesday 26. Okay, I am going to explain what you have to do in order to complete your homework. We continue with Gulliver's Travels. You see here. Then the first thing I want you to do is to watch the video. Okay, you are going to watch it until it finishes. This is the beginning. Okay, I want you to read to watch again the story. Give me a second.
Shiny waters. Years passed. Gulliver was now married and had born a legitimate child. His parents were of a humble background. They were very happy to have him. Gulliver's parents wanted him to become a surgeon. However, Gulliver often attempted voyages, exploring the seas. How I wish to travel across seas and discover lands that no one has before. Lacking proper guidance for voyage, Gulliver took his parents' advice and became a surgeon. He was one of the finest medics in England. He cared for his patients dearly and treated them well. Yet Gulliver's heart and soul always went out to the sea. He often wondered if he...
Okay, as I told you, you have to watch the video again. Then the first activity you have to do is to complete this worksheet. Okay, here you have some sentences and I want you to complete them. Gulliver's study. What did Gulliver study? So you have to complete the sentence or just the sentences. Sorry. Then the second sentence is he began to work as a. One day there was a great Gulliver swam to the little people were of Gulliver. So what words or what information do you have to complete here? So you have to watch the video. Okay, a strong wind began to. And sentence number 7, the little people called Gulliver's the. Okay, this you are going to do by watching the video or after watching the video. Okay, this is going to be the first activity. In the second activity, I want you to draw all the characters in this story. This is Gulliver's first voyage, okay, to Lilliput. I want you to draw all the characters since the beginning, okay? Draw the character and write his or her name. Draw the character, draw his or her name. Okay, you have to start with the main character, okay? But I want all the characters in the story. And that will be what you have to do today. And send me the homework. Remember that you have until sorry, you have until 59, I think, in order to turn in your homework. Okay, that's all the information for today. Also, sorry, I forgot. You have to I am going to upload again the lexical album with the new words that you have to work. And you are going to have time to do it. Okay, so you are going to see when is the deadline to turn in the lexical album. Okay, that's all now. That's all for today, and I see you the next day of classes. Okay, bye bye. I see you.